Click here to subscribe.
Mr. Hung, can you hear the video?
Yes, I can hear it.
Okay, perfect.
Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. 1, uh-oh, let's think about it. 2, uh-oh, scissors. 3, uh-oh, I'm okay. 4, uh-oh, I can comb my hair. 5, uh-oh, go high five. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. Doobie-doo-bop, play with numbers. 5 and 1.
I can write numbers.
5 and 2. Cut it, oops. 5 and 3.
Use a fork.
5 and 4. To make up. 5 and 5. Clap your hands.
Nice. All right. So everyone, and let's get started. Okay, so today we are doing our review. Mr. Hung, can you see the lesson?
Oh, yes.
Nice. All right. Let me quickly see. Uh-oh. Mr. Hung, can you hear me?
Yes.
There we go. Great. Okay. So everyone, I want to know, what is the time in this picture? Does anyone know? In number 1, what is the time? Mr. Hung, can you remind students to use the chat box?
Ta sẽ trả lời câu hỏi vào phần chat box.
There we go. All right, good. 8:45. All right. Or is it 9:45? There we go. It's 9:45. Awesome. So in these pictures, we can see 4 clocks. Number 1, 2, and 3. These are different times. So we can use tell the time. Tell the time. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one, let's read together. Tell the time. So who can tell me, in this picture, what time is it? So let's use the chat box. What time is it? Okay. What time is it? It's 7:10. 7:10. Good. Let's look at the next one. What time is it? What time is it? Hey. It's 20 to 10? No. It's okay, yeah. So 5, 10, 15, 20. There we go. It's 22, 10. Awesome. So this is telling the time. Great job. Let's look at the next one. Sorry, Mr. Hung. The next one. There we go. All right. So let's take a look at the months of the year. So who can tell me how many months are there in 1 year? Let's use the chat box. How many months are there in 1 year? Good, great job. There are 12 months in the year. So let's take a look at the first one. What is number 1? So why is this not working? Sorry, Mr. Hung, the PPT is not working for me. Okay. All right. So who can tell me what is the first month of the year? What is the first month of the year? Let's use the chat box. There we go. Good. It's January. So let's write it here. January. Good. What is the second month of the year? There we go. Good. It's February. February. All right. What's the third month of the year? Good. March. All right. Well done. What's the fourth month of the year? April. Nice. All right. And month number 5 is May. Awesome. What is the 6th month of the year? June. Great job. All right. And month number 7 is July. Great. All right. And month number 8 is August. Well done. Okay, and the next one, month number 9 is September. All right, and what is month number 10? October. Great job. Month number 11 is good. November. All right, and the last month of the year is, great job. It is December. Well done. All right, so everyone, these are the months of the year. There are 12 different months in 1 year. Right, awesome, great job. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so let's take a look over here. We have measuring in length. Measuring in length. So here we have 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is the measurement. So who would like to read this for me? Measuring length. Who would like to read this for me?
Nguyễn Anh Vũ.
Measuring length.
There we go. Awesome. So if we look at the phone, what is the length of the phone? We are measuring, all right? This means how long or how much. All right, great. So let's look at the next one. All right, so the next one we have is measuring temperature. This means how hot or how cold. All right, so when we see this over here, this tells us we are measuring in degrees. All right, this is the sign for degrees. Okay, so we see 100 degrees and 37 degrees. All right, this is measuring temperature. All right, so let's move to the next one. Okay, so who would like to read this word for me? Who would like to read this word for me?
Bùi Nguyễn Gia Bảo.
Multiplication.
There we go. Good. So we can multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the numbers, all right? This is much easier than adding numbers together. So when we see this over here, we know that we are multiplying, all right? We are using multiplication. This makes maths very, very easy. All right, so let's look at the next one.
Excuse me, Miss Kristen. Can you check your mic again? We cannot hear your voice.
Hello?
Yes.
I wonder why it's not working. Sorry. Okay, so should I go back to multiplication?
No.
All right. Okay, so who would like to give me an example of a division sum? Hands up. For example, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Who can try?
Trần Quang Minh.
Can you give?
Divided by 4 equal to.
Equals? 2. All right, great job. Did you say 8? Can you tell me one more time?
8 divided by 4 equal to.
There we go. Awesome. Great job. So remember, when we are dividing, we are pulling into equal parts. All right, well done. So let's take a look at the next one. All right, so here we have division with remainder. So when we cannot divide into equal parts, there will always be a remainder. So who would like to tell me, what is the sum? Hands up.
Đào Anh Quân, Đỗ Minh Dũng,
The sum is 16 divided 4
Yeah. By 4.
equal 3. No. Equal 4. Divided.
Really?
No. Divided 3. No.
With the remainder of?
Remainder 1.
There we go. Good. All right. So we will always have a remainder. When we are dividing, we need to use equal parts. All right. So we can see here. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts with 1 remainder. All right. So 16 divided by 4 is 3 with 1 remainder. All right. Great. So let's take a look at the next one. All right. So let's take a look at fractions. These are also divided into equal parts. All right. So if we look at number 1 over here, who can tell me what fraction is this? What fraction is this?
Nguyễn Minh Anh, Lưu Quang Đức,
What fraction is this?
Trần Đình Tuyển. Các bạn mở mic và trả lời thực hành cùng với cô giáo nhé.
Who can tell me? What fraction is this? It's 1/2. So 1/2 means half. So if we have a circle and we cut it into the middle, it will be 1/2, right? All right, let's look at the next one. What will number 2 be? Who can tell me?
Thanh, Hami,
What fraction is this?
Đoàn Bảo Phương.
1/3.
There we go. Great. All right. Number 3. Who can tell me what fraction is this?
Nguyễn Minh Hiếu.
1/4.
There we go. 1/4. Great. All right. And the last one. Who can tell me what fraction is this?
Bảo Nam. Đỗ Minh Trí.
Yes.
This is
1/5.
There we go. Good. 1/5. All right. So remember, these are what fractions look like. All right. They are equally divided. All right. So all of these circles are equally divided into their fraction. All right. So let's look at the next one. Okay, so now we are going to move on to our practice. Let's take a look. So we are going to be rescuing the pets. Let's see. Mr. Hung?
Yes, I'm here.
My PPT is not working correctly. Sorry, can you give me one moment?
Oh, yes.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Hung.
Excuse me, we cannot hear your voice again.
All right, I'm so sorry, everyone. So let's use the chat box. In which month is Christmas celebrated? In which month is Christmas celebrated? Good, well done. All right, so Christmas is celebrated in December. Well done. Awesome. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, the length of the laptop is 30 centimeters. What is the length of the laptop in decimeters? So, in centimeters, it is 30. What is the length of the laptop in decimeters? Okay, so it will be 3. Are you sure? Yeah. All right, well done. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, can you hear me, Mr. Hong?
Yes, I can.
Okay. The length of the board is 5 meters. The length of the table is 2 meters. What is the total length of the board and the table? Okay, so we will say 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the total is 7 meters. Awesome. All right. So let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so what is the following? Oh, sorry. Which of the following units shows the temperature? Sorry, Mr. Hong. All right. Which of the following units shows the temperature? Is it picture 1, picture 2, or picture 3? All right. So which units do we use to show temperature? Number 3? Yeah, okay. So we use degrees. There we go. Degrees. Awesome. Great job. Okay. So let's take a look at the next one. The length of the table is 200 centimeters. What is the length of the table in millimeters? So remember, centimeters is bigger than millimeters. There we go. So we will use 2,000. There we go. 2,000 millimeters. Great. All right, let's look at the next one. The length of the truck is 3 meters. What is the length of the truck in centimeters? So remember, meters. There we go. Good. Meters is bigger than centimeters. So we times it by 100. Great. It will be 300 centimeters. 300 centimeters. There we go. Great job. All right. Good. Let's take a look at the next one. So what month is right after January? What month is after January? There we go. Awesome. So what month is after January? It is February. Great job. Nice. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. Halloween is celebrated on the 31st of... When is Halloween celebrated? The 31st of October. You are correct. Good. So it is celebrated in October. Great. All right. Good. So everyone, that is it for our game today. as well as today's lesson. So everyone, thank you very, very much for our lesson today. So let's hand over to Mr. Hung for the end of today's lesson.
Thank you, Miss Kristen. Và thầy Hưng, cô Kristen và thầy Hưng cảm ơn tất cả các con đã tham gia vào lớp học ngày hôm nay. Thì các con đã làm rất tốt. Thì
Yeah, all right, awesome. Everyone, thank you very much for today's lesson, and we will see you